esteemed Vice Chancellor Sir, distinguished guests in today's program, respected faculty members, dear students, and all photography enthusiasts present here and our media friends. I am Mr. Dhirendra Kumar Behera, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department. Extend my regards and welcome you all to this World Photography Day celebration. In today's program, we have with us our most respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi, as a chief guest of today's program. Postgraduate Council Chairman, Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawala Sir, as guest of honor Sir. We are privileged to have with us two distinguished jury members in today's program and photography competition. Professor Devashish Patrao, Head of the Department of Language and Literature of Hockey University, and Mr. Brojabandhu Behera, who is serving as Managing Director of Drishti Pictures, a Bhubaneswar-based picture and video production industry. We also have with us the respected Coordinator of Journalism Department, Dr. Smriti Padi Madam. I request all our honorable guests and jury members to inaugurate today's program by watering the banyan plant and thereafter take their respective seats on the dais. Thank you. As you know, our university has a proud and cherished tradition with the aim of spreading the message of environmental protection and green awareness throughout the society. Almost all program of our university begins with by watering the holy plant. We have completed it. Thank you, sir. Now, to proceed with the program, the university anthem will be performed. I warmly request everyone to kindly stand in their respective seats and so respect. Students of our department who present subjects to our distinguished guests. Thank you. Now I want to request to our Vice Chancellor sir to present today's program, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request coordinator of our department, James Department, Dr. Smriti Badi Madam, kindly introduce the guests and the jury members and give a brief account of today's program. Madam, please.
Namaskar. Respected Vice Chancellor Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, respected Chairman of Postgraduate Council Professor Santosh Agarwala sir, our esteemed jury members who have judged the photo story competition, Mr. Rajabandhu Behera, Managing Director of Drishti Picture, filmmaker and a noted photographer who has so many films to his credits, and we all know about his creative work. Our second jury member of today, Professor Debashish Patra, Head, Department of Language and Literature of Fatehpur University. Respected members of our photography club, Manojit sir and Poonam Kumari madam, my colleagues, respected senior faculty members, and all the students and participants of this photography competition, a very warm welcome at the very outset to all of you. It is my pleasure to be here on this occasion of World Photography Day. And this is a day which celebrates not just photographs but the stories, the emotions, the memories, the histories that photographs do preserve and do convey. Photography is indeed one of the most powerful, most significant forms of communication. A single photograph can capture a moment, it can document an entire culture, it can preserve a memory and communicate emotions which are way beyond words. World Photography Day reminds us the importance of photography in documenting our world, in documenting and preserving our collective memory. In this spirit, I would like to sincerely appreciate the university administration, especially our Vice Chancellor sir, for actually conceptualizing this idea where the participants from different departments of this university go to their adopted villages of our university and try and capture the lives and stories and their experiences in their mobile camera. In order to keep this standard, we were insisting that our students and all have used, the participants have used their Android phones only to capture the photographs. So the photography club, the newly constituted photography club of IIT University also, it tries to provide, it intends to provide our students with a platform to explore photography not merely as an art but as a means of observation, documentation and storytelling. So to this photography day, the theme was home, and we have our participants of this competition have tried to capture the theme, the concept of home from our adopted villages of the university. So this initiative brought together 31 students from 8 disciplines: business management, social science, history, archaeology, physics, botany, education, geology, and journalism and mass communication. The students were divided into 5 teams who traveled to the university's adopted villages: Mardarajpur, Noapadi, Rasulpur, Machua, Makhapada, in search of stories and narratives around the idea, around the concept of home. What makes this initiative special is that the students did not simply go looking for photographs. They were looking for people, they were looking for memories, they were looking for traditions, they were looking for the narrative of the concept of home in whatever they saw. In doing so, they have created a meaningful connection between the university and its adopted communities. I once again take this opportunity to thank our esteemed jury members for taking their precious time out and judging the competition. So they have judged the competition on the criteria of creativity, coherence, ability of the students to tell a story around the concept of home. So yes, photograph is more than an image; it is a story frozen in time. My congratulations, and I wish that we all celebrate the spirit of photography, the concept of photography, and the theme of home this time. Thank you, and wish you all a very happy World Photography Day once again.
And today we are privileged to have with us Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawal sir, Honorable Chairman of Postgraduate Council. I humbly request sir to address the gathering. Now it is time to watch the series of photo stories of theme Tale of a Home.
Esteemed Professor, Devasis Professor, esteemed jury member, and esteemed coordinator, James Upadhyay, and all the members of University Photography Block, and my dear colleagues, and dear participants, dear students, and my media friends. We are here to celebrate the World Photography Day 2026. First of all, I announce the university has a photography club. So this is the first event organized by this photography club in collaboration with Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. मुझे गोटे कथा कहबी जे लेखक और फोटोग्राफर भितर बहुत सामंजस्य अछि लेखक निज कलम माध्यम रे निजर भाव को प्रकाश करिथा फोटोग्राफर कैमरा माध्यम रे निज भाव को प्रकाश करिथा आमे जो छवि गुड़ा देखिले जो फोटो गुड़ा देखिले जदि से फोटो कौन सी जिनस आम बुझी पारिचे तारे से फोटोग्राफर फोटो उठेबा सार्थक फोटो उठेला बेले जहाँ चिंता करिता लेखक निज लेखनी सृष्टि कला बेले से बेले चिंता करे केवल फोटो उठेबाटा जे कोनोसी लोक फोटो उठे पारे समस्त पाखे काम कैमेरा अच्छे समस्त पाखे कलम अच्छे कि समस्ते कविता क्रिएट करें कि लेखनी सृष्टि करें तेणु फोटोग्राफर हाँ आपन को से चिंता कर द फ्रीजिंग ऑफ टाइम आम फिजिक्स टाइम गोटे फिजिकल क्वांटिटी नुह इट इज नॉट ए मेजरेबल क्वांटिटी आमे जेकोसी मेजरमेंट से तो टाइम को अटैच करि परिबो आई कैन नॉट कंट्रोल द मूवमेंट ऑफ टाइम तेणु मनुष्य एमिति गोटे यंत्र तयारी कला टू फ्रीज द टाइम थ्रू कैमरा कोन कि आमे जहां रिएक्ट करूचे जहां देखुचे से बीती जाय ताकू आमे मेमोरी किंबा हिस्ट्री हिसाब रे मन पकेया को पड़ुचे ताकू यदि रखिबा पई चाहूचे ताले कैमरा दरकार आउ फ्रीज द टाइम एंड टू कैप्चर द तो आमे मु आम कुलपति साहब को धन्यवाद देबी हमर जो क्वेश्चन ग्राम्य गुडा कर छवि गुडा उत्तर पाई सा जेएमसी कोऑर्डिनेटर से पूरा टोटल प्लान करिथिले बसे आ से जो प्लान करिथिले बहुत वे आमे से गुडा आके कि बसे कि देखि पारलु নহলে এটা র‍্যান্ডম হবে তার এই এজ রে ফটো ন উঠেই মধ্য সময়କୁ ক্যাপচার করি পারুଛନ୍ତି সাধারণ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଠି ଆସିଥିବାରୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦଉଛି ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣାଲିଜିମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଏଇ ଡେକୁ ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି ସେମାନେ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି କ୍ଲବ କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଗକୁ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ସବୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ମେମ୍ବର କରାନ୍ତୁ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି କ୍ଲବ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇବାର ଟେକ୍ନିକଟାକୁ ଶିଖାନ୍ତୁ
धन्यवाद सर आप सर सत कथा कहले जने कलम जने लेखकर कलम और फोटोग्राफर रो कैमरा ए दुईटा पाखे थिले मध्य समस्त लेखक होई पारंती किमा कवि होई पारंती किमा समस्त फोटोग्राफर होई पारंती सेति पई समस्त को भितरे गोटे सृजनशील गुण आवश्यक जहां हम भाबुची हमर आजिर प्रयास सफल हेची हमर पिला माने ताको चित्र माध्यम रे आपन हमको निकट रे उपस्थापन करते धन्यवाद सर। Now I humbly request our Vice Chancellor sir to felicitate our esteemed jury, Mr. Brajabandhu Behera, with the traditional Uttariyo and the memento of Fakir Mohan Sonapuri. Honorable Ashanti Professor Devashish Patra, head of the Department of Language and Literature, and today's another jury. I request sir, please ଆପଣ ଆମର ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିର ଏଇ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି କମ୍ପିଟିସନ ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଛି ସେ ବାବଦରେ ଚିତ୍ର ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଘରର କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଯୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ପ୍ରୟାସ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ବାବଦରେ ଆପଣ ଦି ପଦ ରଖିବେ।
ସମ୍ମାନନୀୟ ସଭାପତି ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ସନ୍ତୋଷ କୁମାର ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ ସାର୍, ସମ୍ମାନନୀୟ ସ୍ନାତକୋତ୍ତର ପରିଷଦର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ସନ୍ତୋଷ କୁମାର ଅଗ୍ରୱାଲ ସାର୍ ଏବଂ ମଞ୍ଚାସୀନ ସମସ୍ତ ଅତିଥି ଏବଂ ମଞ୍ଚ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥିବା ପ୍ରିୟ ସହକର୍ମୀ ଏବଂ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଗଣ, ଆଜି ବିଶ୍ୱ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଦିବସ ଅବସରରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଜଣାଉଛି। ପିଲାଦିନର କଥା ଗୋଟେ ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଲା, ଏ ଘର ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ ସମାନ ଆହା ଅଟେ ସେହି ଘର, ପରସ୍ପର ସ୍ନେହ ଜମି ଥାଏ ନିରନ୍ତର। ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଘରଟି କ'ଣ ଏବଂ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ସହିତ ତାର କ'ଣ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ପିଲାମାନେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଧାରଣ କରିବାର ପ୍ରୟାସ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ କହି ଆସୁଥିଲି କେତେଜଣ ଛାତ୍ରଙ୍କୁ, ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଦିବସରେ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ସୃଜନଶୀଳତା ଫଟୋରେ ନଥାଏ। ସୃଜନଶୀଳତା ଯିଏ ଫଟୋକୁ ଧରି ରଖିବାର ପ୍ରୟାସ କରେ ତା ବିଚାରରେ ଥାଏ, ତା ଚିନ୍ତା ଆଉ ଚେତନାରେ ଥାଏ। କୌଣସି ଚିତ୍ରରେ କ'ଣ ଯଦି ରହିଛି କଳାତ୍ମକତା, ତା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଦୃଷ୍ଟିଭଙ୍ଗୀ ନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳ। ଆମେ ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁ, ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ଉଚ୍ଚ ମନ ରହିଛି ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଷୟର ଧାରଣା ଉପରେ ବା ଅବଧାରଣା ଉପରେ ମତ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି। ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ମଧ୍ୟମ ମନ ସେମାନେ ଘଟଣା ଉପରେ ଫୋକସିଂ କରନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ନିମ୍ନ ମନ ବା ତଳ ମନ ସେମାନେ ଅବଧାରଣାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତି, ଧାରଣାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତି, ଘଟଣାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତି, ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଉପରେ ଫୋକସ କରନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚାରେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଉପରକୁ ନେଇଯାଉ। ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ କଳାତ୍ମକତାର କଥା, ସୃଜନଶୀଳତାର କଥା। ମନେ ପଡୁଛି ସେଇ ମଧୁବାବୁଙ୍କର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପଂକ୍ତି, ଆକାଶ ଦିଶେ କି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଯାହାକୁ ରଚିଲେ ଈଶ୍ୱର। ଏଠି ସର୍ଜନାର କଥା କୁହାଯାଉଛି, ରଚନାର କଥା କୁହାଯାଉଛି। ଏ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ବି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ସର୍ଜନା ଓ ରଚନା। ଏ ସାହିତ୍ୟ ପାଖରୁ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ କଳାତ୍ମକତା ପାଖରୁ ଭିନ୍ନ ନୁହେଁ। ଯୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ସାମିଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି, କିଛି ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇଛନ୍ତି, କଳା ଓ କଳ୍ପନାକୁ ନିଜ ବିଚାରରେ ଧରି ରଖିବାର ପ୍ରୟାସ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସାଧୁବାଦ। ଆପଣମାନେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ବିଚାରରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫିର ଯୋଉ ଅନୁଭବ ସେଟା ଲୁକାୟିତ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଅଛି। ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଜଗତକୁ ବିସ୍ତାରିତ ହେଇଯାଉ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ ହେଇଉଠେ। ଯୋଉ ବସ୍ତୁ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦେଖାଯାଏ, ବସ୍ତୁର ପଛପଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ସତ୍ତା ରହିଛି। ସେ ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ସତ୍ତା କଳାତ୍ମକତାର ରୂପ ନିଏ ଆଉ ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ ଜଗତକୁ ଆହୁରି ବିଧିବଦ୍ଧ ଭାବରେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢାଏ। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସୃଜନଶୀଳତା ଜାରି ରହୁ। ଏହି ଦିବସର ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ଜଣାଇ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର ଜଣାଇ ମୋ ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟକୁ ବିରାମ ଦେଉଛି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ମତ ରଖିଲେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଚିନ୍ତା ଓ ଚେତନାକୁ ପ୍ରତିଫଳନ କରିବାରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ସୃଜନଶୀଳ ମନୋଭାବ ବା କଳାତ୍ମକ ମନୋଭାବ ରହିବା ଦରକାର, ତାହା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ସତ। ଆମ ଗଣରେ ଅନ୍ୟତମ ବିଚାରକ ଭାବେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ବ୍ରଜବନ୍ଧୁ ବେହେରା ସାର୍। ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ଆଜିର ଏହି ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଦିବସ ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଆମର ପ୍ରିୟ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏବଂ ଆମ ଗଣରେ ଥିବା ଅନ୍ୟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦୀପକ କହିବେ। ସାର୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍।
ନମସ୍କାର। এই অবসরে উপস্থিত অধ্যক্ষ মহোদয়, সমস্ত প্রফেসর, পার্টিসিপেন্ট আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। ଆଜି ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଡେ ଅବସରରେ ଜୁରି ଭାବରେ ଏଠାରେ କହିବାକୁ ପାଇ ଜନ୍ମ କରିଛି। ମୁଁ ଭାବେ ଯେ फोटोग्राफी केवल फोटो उठाए गोटे फोटो माध्यम आम गोटे मुहूर्त को साइड रखिपारू गोटे कहानी को कहीपारू एवं आमर भावना अन्य पाखे पहुँचे गोटे भल फोटो बहुत कथा कही आम समाज आम संस्कृति आम परंपरा एवं आम जीवन अनेक स्मृति को फोटो माध्यम साइड रखिपारू आजिका समस्त प्रतियोगी गोटे कथा कही फोटो दृश्य को भल भाव देखु से मुहूर्त को अनुभव करतु एवं पक्ष कहानी को कैमरा आम हाथ किंतु गोटे भल फोटो सौंदर्य आम दृष्टिकोण सुंदर मुहूर्त को साइड एवं आगु भल भल फोटो उठाई समस्त प्रतियोगी ऑल द बेस्ट हैप्पी वर्ल्ड
सर को कथार गोटे कथा कहि पारि जे गोटे फोटो चित्र हजार शब्द कहि पारे जहां सर कहि दे गले हमरो माननीय विचारक सर धन्यवाद सर आपनकर मतामत पाई आज रे फोटोग्राफी दिवस पालन पछरे जहां प्रेरणा जहां उद्यम जहां उत्साह रही এবং যে আমাকে सब समय प्रेरणा दे आसନ୍ତି जे विभिन्न कार्यक्रम माध्यमरे हमर विश्वविद्यालय पाठ पढ़ा हो रिसर्च आगु आगे ने पाए हम गहन उपस्थित अछंती हम प्रिय एवं आदरणीय कुलपति सर ओ सर को अनुरोध करिबी सर तकर संक्षिप्त वक्तव्य आज फोटोग्राफी दिवस अवसर सर
माननीय सांस्कृतिक जी फोटोग्राफी दिवस jury members सदस्य पत्र राजबंधु बेरा महोदय संयोजक सांबादिकता विभाग सांबादिकता विभाग अध्यापिका अन्य विभाग अध्यापिका हम संग्रह फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम से सांबादिकता विभाग तथा अन्य विभाग छात्र छात्री भाग उत्साहित फोटोटा को इंटरप्रेट करबा एवं तादेर गोटे स्टोरी तैयारी करबा सेटा भी गोटे कला से कला पछरे थाए फोटोटा केमि मोर उद्देश्य थिला मते कहले जे हम गोटे योजना कर मोर उद्देश्य थिला दिवस साथ शेयर खराब भाले बहुत बढ़िया फोटोग्राफी तो कोई मान उत्साह सौ पांच का हम दे पूरी परेशान कर की मेला होम जो विजुअल जाने पूरा अडॉप्टेड विलेजेस ऑफ
आकाश को पड़े सत
प्रतियोगितार प्रथम स्थान जो टीम हमर अधिकार करछंती से टीम रो नाम एबे घोषणा करछि जहां को कैश प्राइज दिया जबो एवं से टीम रो मेंबर माने समस्त आसबे टीम होछि मखापेदा टीम এই প্রতিযোগিতা প্রথম স্থান অধিকার করছেন মহানগর টিমর দল সেমানে আসন্তু এবং আমার মাননীয় কুলপতি স্যার এবং বিচারক মণ্ডলী ଠାରୁ পুরস্কার ও মানপত্র গ্রহণ করନ୍ତୁ সার্টিফিকেট গ্রহণ করନ୍ତୁ। এই टीम रे अछंती हमर अर्पिता मधुली एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट रे, हेमंत कुमार जेना जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट रे, अनन्या महाराणा जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट रे, ओंकार मोहन दास जेएमसी, रूपाली राउत हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट एवं आर शुभम मल्लिक जियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट रो पिला माने एई मखाबदा टीम रे शामिल हेते समस्त को शुभेच्छा। से माने प्रथम स्थान अधिकार करी हमर आज रो फोटोग्राफी कंपटीशन रे प्रथम स्थान अधिकार करछन्ती। विजेता दल को आर्थिक पुरस्कार 3000 टका प्रदान करा जाउछि। ज्ञापन करुछि ताकर प्रोत्साहन एवं उत्साह पाए
भाई जल्दी मछुआ विलेज जो मैंने कवर कर दिए 3 मछुआ
এই দলে শামিল অছন্তি লক্ষ্মী সাগর দাবি এডুকেশন ডিপার্টমেন্ট রে, उमा शंकर कर जेएमसी, दिव्यज्योति साहू जेएमसी, इप्सिता अधिकारी जेएमसी, गोविंद बेहरा जेएमसी एवं पुष्पिता जेना जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट रो छात्र छात्री माने एई दल शामिल होई फोटोग्राफी करते समस्त को शुभेच्छा। एते तृतीय स्थान अधिकार करछन्ती मद्रासपुर टीम। मो दलर समस्त को अनुरोध करी आसीबे सर्टिफिकेट ग्रहण करिया पई। এই দলে শামিল অছন্তি তাপস রঞ্জন খন্ডা জেএমসি, জয়স্মিতা বেহেরা জেএমসি, অভিষেক জেনা জেএমসি ডিপার্টমেন্ট, শুভ্রাংশু एमबीए डिपार्टमेंट, अचामिन महाराणा जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट, तपस्विनी सेठी बोटानी डिपार्टमेंट एवं मीनाक्षी समर्थ एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट छात्र छात्री समस्त को शुभेच्छा अभिनंदन। चतुर्थ स्थान अधिकार करथिबा नुआपड़ी दलर समस्त सदस्य को अनुरोध करिबी मंच ऊपर को आसीबे एवं अतिथि मानक ठारो मानपत्र ग्रहण करिया पय। एही दलर शामिल अछन्ती दिव्य रंजन पॉलिटिकल साइंस नुआपड़ी, सौरभ कुमार मिश्र जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट, रिंकू परिडा हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट, राजलक्ष्मी स्वाई हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट, लिप्सा लेंका जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट एवं देवव्रत मल्लिक फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट और छात्र छात्री समस्त को शुभेच्छा। एवं शेषरे रसदपुर दलर सदस्य मानको अनुरोध करी मंच ऊपर आसीबे। एही दलर शामिल अछन्ती जागृति भंज जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट छात्री, शुभश्री सड़की जेएमसी, नंदिनी नायक जेएमसी डिपार्टमेंट, रश्मिता मातिया एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट, सुराज प्रियदर्शिनी स्वाई एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट एवं ज्योति राउत पॉलिटिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट रो समस्त अंशग्रहण को शुभेच्छा। एबे आज रे कार्यक्रम रो शेष पर्याय में पहुंचीछु। आई नाउ रिक्वेस्ट Assistant Professor of GMC Department Dr. Ashish Kumar Nayak sir to propose formal vote of thanks.
Thank you. So it was actually a wonderful day, and we have seen that the students were trying very hard to capture the moments from these adopted villages, and it was a tiring effort by them for capturing those moments and creating a kind of narrative that we have already seen. So thank you. First of all, I would like to thank the participating students from different departments who took their time and participated in this event. I am sure that they must have learned something out of this exercise. Whether they have won the cash reward or not, that is not an issue at all. But I am sure that they must have learned some skills, and I believe that they won't, repeat these mistakes that they have done, or whoever, if there is any kind of mistakes that will not be repeated again, and we'll keep that in mind. And we also like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi, for always guiding us to, organize programs on a regular basis. And also we would like to thank our Postgraduate Council Chairman, Professor Santosh Kumar Agarwala, Sir, for helping us and guiding us in this entire, days, entire thing. And also I would like to thank the jury members from the Department of Language and Literature, Professor Devasis Patra, for giving this time, and also critically observing this cinema. It's not a cinema actually, but it's a photo feature or photo story kind of thing, which has been narrated by the students, and giving his comments and whatever. And also I would like to thank our jury member, Mr. Brajabandhu Behra, who has come from all the way from Bhubaneswar, and for his support and guidance. We would also like to thank him. We also like to thank the members of this photography club, Professor Bhattacharya and Poonam Madam, for actually helping us in organizing this program. And the main key person who is behind this entire photography workshop and exhibition is our coordinator, Madam Dr. Smriti Padi. She has been trying very hard since last 7 to 8 days to organize this program. Even though she wanted to organize this in a bigger scale and invite people from outside for actually organizing workshop and followed by a exhibition as an exhibition, that was not possible. But even then, sometime later, we would like to do that if given an opportunity. So, along with that, I would also like to thank the media persons who are here, who are capturing this moment and capturing these photographs of this meeting, and all the students who are present over here and faculty members from different departments who have come to witness this event, and particularly our faculty colleagues, Dr. Jayendra Behra sir, Moti madam, for helping us in coordinating this program. And that is what. So we look forward to organizing programs in the near future in collaboration with the photography club. And thank you all. Thanks for coming. Thanks for joining this event. Thank you.
Now I request our chief guest and honorable vice chancellor sir to formally declare the event closed.